Hello and thanks for joining us here at Tesco Specialty Vehicles. In this video, we'll be going over the function and operation of your vehicle's shore power. Remember that this video is not intended to take the place of your vehicle's owner's manual. Tesco Bus and Tesco Specialty Vehicles are not liable for any damage or injuries incurred from the improper use or operation of your vehicle and its equipment, as this video is for informational purposes only. When setting up your vehicle for use in the field, you will oftentimes find power available to connect to, supplying electricity to operate equipment. This will help save fuel by not using your generator while conserving battery power. Note that when connecting shore power, to never have the generator running, as the overvoltage will cause damage to the system or equipment. When using your vehicle's shore power, you will first want to locate the vehicle's power inlet. Typically, this will be located on the body right next to the cabin's driver door, as shown here. When looking for an outlet to connect shore power to, match it to the 4-prong style of the connector, or you can match the NEMA number, as it connects to the 14-50R outlet. These outlets typically provide the 50 amps of power the vehicle needs. Anything less may risk tripping the facility's breaker. If you need help finding this outlet, refer to the facility owner, maintenance, or technicians for its location. Locate your power inlet by the driver door and connect the shore power cable that's provided with your vehicle. Simply align the prongs with the connector, insert and secure it with a quarter twist to the right. Then take the threaded sealing ring and screw it on to the inlet's housing. This will further secure and protect the connection in place. Once that's done, it should take 10 to 15 seconds for the system to stabilize this new power source. Disconnecting shore power is the reverse of our setup process, starting by unplugging the shore power cable from the power outlet, then unplug the cable from the inlet on the body. First by unscrewing the sealing ring and then making a quarter turn to the left to unlock the plug to then pull it out. Don't forget to close the protective cover. And that is how to use your vehicle's shore power functionality. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your specialty vehicle and the equipment on board, give us a call at 855-376-9797, shoot us an email at support@tescosv.com, or visit the Help Center on our website, where you can submit a contact form. For all of your specialty vehicle and equipment needs, choose Tesco Specialty Vehicles. Call, click, or visit today. Thanks for watching.